Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. If you are watching the videos continuously and haven't subscribed, subscribe it and press the bell button. So when I upload the videos, you may get the notification and you can enjoy watching it. We have applied load already. Here with this load we are going to proceed with the for calculating the yield line pattern. By calculating the yield line pattern loads, we are going to give the UDL loads. So I shall open the STAAD editor and copy this load. Okay, I shall copy from member load. I shall paste it in an Excel. Okay, paste. I have just pasted in 2 cells, that's all. Then I have closed the STAAD editor. See, it's here. Now I shall divide this in as per this between the space. I shall divide it into into number of cells. So I have chosen data, then text to columns, and fixed with next or back, sorry, delimited. Here I shall select space. So with space it has been divided into different cells. Okay, so it becomes in this format. Now I shall consider the beam number and load I need to calculate. Okay, for each and every member there will be loads. I shall calculate it and shall input it here in the Excel. After that I will be copying it to the STAAD editor. Okay, so I shall now open the AutoCAD and I shall explain how to calculate the load. Okay, now I have the center line of this wall, and where the extra beams and columns, everything will be acting. I shall mark it. Okay, with this it seems it's a straight line, so I haven't break this line. Now I shall trim it and then I shall draw the lines. Select objects. Okay, now I shall draw a line, and to find the center line of this I have chose to trim the line. This is center line. Now again I shall choose the center line. Okay. Okay, now I shall off all the other layers except center line. Okay, why there is another line here? You need to know this. This line, it's not center line. I shall erase it, or I shall copy other lines and remove this line. Okay, so what is this line? It seems that is the outer line of the wall. This is the outer line of the wall. So I have considered this outer line. You can see this. Okay, you can see here it is the outer line of the wall. I have taken that line as a separate rectangle. You can put rectangle or something. I shall consider this. Okay, now I shall choose only this elements. Now I shall move it to some other portion. Okay, I have moved here. Now I need to draw the there is trapezoidal and triangles. I need to draw this. So I shall draw a line and put a 45 degree. I shall rotate it into 45 degree. Okay, copy it. I shall copy it here to this portion. Now I shall rotate it. Okay, enter to this portion. It is rotation angle, it is minus 45. It is going to rotate it in anti-clockwise, so plus 45. Okay, now mirror command, you can use mirror command and choose the center portion and no then trim it. Now this mirror portion, so it is something movable, so I shall move it here. Okay, undo. Okay, sorry, undo. Here this ends should be completed on the wall. Okay, so you can move it towards the straight line. So here I shall extend this line. Here too I need to extend this line. So wherever the lines will coming here, I shall extend to the outer boundary. Okay, so it will be feasible for us to calculate the values. This one and here. Now I shall remove this line. Now this line has been drawn wrongly, so I shall move this line here. It is also 45-degree line. So now we can trim it. Okay. Now this outer line is the outer center line. It is not necessary for us because the outer boundary, it is the wall line, it is used for a calculation. So I shall remove this outer center line, outer center lines. Okay. Now I shall give the mirror command. Now we shall be seeing the same, that is it is joining at the corners. Okay, now draw the center portion here. Similarly, select this 45-degree line, copy and paste it in all the corners. Okay, because it is separated only by 45-degree line. So yield line pattern, it is always drawn by 45-degree line. Okay, so I shall copy it and paste it. So already copied. So again this 45-degree lines. Wherever it is comfortable for us, you can paste it at a single or you can use mirror command at each and every time. Now bottom lines I need to copy. Similarly, this next line, so I shall use again copy command. So there is some errors when I have copied, so I shall remove this. I shall use undo command to remove this. So this is again copy command. I shall choose this center point, there is a base point, and then I shall copy all the points to this corners. Okay, if you haven't if this point you haven't selected properly, just move it. Okay, so that you can use list command to find the area, or you can use area command to find the area of the triangle or trapezoid. It depends. Now this you can see here, this is a trapezoid. In this two sides it is trapezoid, and here it is a triangle. But in this portion, see here, you can trim whatever portion you can trim it. So I shall trim this portions. It is not necessary for me this extra projections, so I shall trim it. Here I need to extend it. Here I shall trim it. So that it should form a triangle. So when we have drawn this 45-degree lines, it should form the triangles. So if you form the triangle, and if there is any extra projections there, you can remove it. If there is no extra projections, you can extend it. Okay, now I will be having some extension commands. I need to use it. So I shall use this extend command. Here and then here. Okay, so these are the points I have drawn, completed the extension, and I need to draw the line commands wherever I need it. Okay, so here I need the line command to complete it. Here other line command. Here it is somewhat tedious, but we will be getting the accurate analysis method result. So the load will be very accurate. So that you may get the analysis very perfectly, but it is a tedious process. If you calculate it for when we are calculating for multi-storied buildings, you can calculate it for, you can calculate the area for one floor, and the same area will same load can be used for other floors. Now I have calculated. Now I need to calculate the area for each and every floor. Okay, and I need to find this beam number for each and everything, and I need to input it in the Excel. So this is the concept here. So I shall calculate the area by using area command. This point here, this point. So if you have missed some area here, just press enter. This area I have calculated as 3.6. Now I need some area I haven't calculated here. I have missed some portion. So I shall again calculate it. So whenever I select the same portion, it is chosen. So it may be added in the trapezoidal. Or you can use this method to calculate the area, that is 3.6 it is again. Or you can choose one more method, it is there. you can choose, you can draw the line here, one more line. Okay, now I shall find these 3 lines and I shall make it as a region. So it will be forming a triangle. Okay, this point, this line and this line. Enter. So it forms as a loop and one region is created. So when you select this triangle and type list, so what is the meant by list? It will be giving the area, perimeter. If it is Moss property is there, Moss property will be given. So I have given, see here, area, perimeter, and it is a boundaries. What are the boundaries? It is there. Everything it is specified here. So here the same area, that is 3.6. So copy this area. It is in meter. So you can paste this. .8, 3.6 meter square. So I shall put m square, m2. Okay, just leave it here. Similarly, you can choose for other areas. Find the area of each and every triangle. When this beam is, when you calculate for this beam, you need to find the area for this whole section. So you can find the area. For the whole section. So it is 8.27. When this beam, when here this beam, it is, if it is having 2 areas, you need to use this. Okay, I shall find this area. It is 8.27 here. Area it is 2.87. I shall copy it and I shall paste it. Okay. Similarly, I need to calculate for all the members. After calculating the members, area for all the members, I shall open the STAAD Pro and choose one flow. I shall choose this flow and I shall view only that flow. Okay, for that I need to go view only selected objects. Now I shall view only this flow. Now I need to find the member. Okay, that is which member it is used here. So I am using Shift B. So I know the number, that is beam number. For I have calculated the area for beam 18 as 3.6 and for beam 7 it is 8.27. Similarly, I need to calculate and calculate the area for each and everything and just input it here in the Excel as here beam number, first flow, or you can write here, I need to write the beam number, first flow, that is ground floor. Okay, next is second floor or terrace. Okay, that is one thing. It is this is plinth beam and here I have chosen this as a first floor beam. Now I need to find the area. For the area, here I am using this for for dead load. Dead load means slab thickness, density. You need to multiply by density. So here I shall use density. Density will be same. Okay, that is 25. Thickness of slab. Thickness of slab. It is 150 mm, so 0.15. Next, before density, I shall put the area. Okay, area, density, thickness. So if you need to find this length, that is load in kilonewton per meter, you need to use the length of the beam. Okay, so length for each and every beam it will be varying. So here again you need to find the load, it is per meter length. So formula it is area into density into thickness divided by length. Okay, this is the formula. Here I shall use this number, so I shall open the STAAD Pro. Here number it is 18. For this 18, this is the 18th beam. What is the area? It is 3.60 meter square. So I have calculated in meter square. So it is in first floor it is 18. Okay, there is load area, it is 3.6. What is the length of the beam? It is 3.681. Here length it is 3.861. Okay, now we have got the load for the member in for kilonewton per meter, load per meter you have calculated. Similarly you calculated for other beams. Okay, thanks for watching the channel. If you like, press the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed it, subscribe it. You can share with the friends, and if you have any comments regarding the video, you can comment it in the comment section. Thank you.